Hey Mike, it's just a little something from all of us. We want to let you know how much we miss you and how much you mean to this school. So why don't you put down that Xbox controller for a second and take a look. Get better soon.
Hey, Mr. Stewart, get well soon.
Hey Stu, think of that line from RHK.
Hey Stuart, I would just like to say I hope you get well soon. When I saw you said you're going to be walking to our commencement, I hope that happens, and I really hope that you get well soon.
Hey Stuart, get better. You're going to miss having you as a teacher. So, see you soon. Thanks.
Hey Mike, really sad to hear the news, and first and foremost in my thoughts are your health, and hope you're going to get better, know you're going to get better, and get back to the way you were. So give you an opportunity to do all those leg workouts that I was bumpy about, shirking that end of the responsibilities. So but listen, I'm really pulling for you. And
Hey Stu, we missed you on the ball team this year.
Yeah, and we're Tyler and I here are gonna clutch the banner this year,
And we're gonna bring it home for you.
Yeah.
No, that's me.
I'm Mikey. I know I've been in to see you, and just happened to drop into the school today, and now I'm looking into a camera. So I was holding back tears the other day when I was in to see you, but I know everything's going to be great, and get well soon. I wish you all the best.
Hey Stu, we miss you, man. Take care of yourself, and hope you get better soon, and I'll see you around next year.
Hi Stu, I hope you're doing well, and we all miss you, and I hope your recovery is going well. And I finally got my G1, so I wanted to tell you that because I know that you were always saying that I should get it. So yeah, I hope you have a smooth recovery and everything goes well. And our hearts and hopes are with you.
Hey Stuart, we really miss you around here, especially all of us on SAC and TVC. It's been kind of weird without you around, but we know how determined you are to get better, so hopefully we'll see you soon.
Hey Stu, I hope you're feeling better. I know it's probably a really tough time for you. I just want you to know that we're all thinking about you, and the whole school's feeling for you right now, and wishing you a speedy recovery. We'll hope to see you soon. Hopefully everything goes well. Best of luck.
Hey Stu, the rest of the year is going to be kind of weird not having you here, but just want to let you know that all of us in the baseball team, the season's for you. We got this one for you.
Say that again.
It's very important for you to get better at college, Stuart. It's good for the team and the game. So
Awesome, thanks buddy. Anybody else? Scared? It's alright. Hey Josh.
You're one hell of a great teacher, Stuart. Get better.
Wonderful, thank you. Anyone else?
Better soon, Stuart.
Hey Stu, hopefully you get better soon, and hopefully I can see Mike 24 Forever online sometime soon. It's weird not seeing you online all the time. Get better.
Hi, Mrs. Stewart. I wish you all the best. I'm really sad to hear what happened to you. I hope everything is fine now. Hope you get better soon. I don't know if you remember me, but I was in grade 11. You were my teacher, gym teacher. I had so much fun. I really miss you. I hope you get back soon, and hope to see you once more. Thank you.
Hey Stu, we miss you and hope you're back on your feet soon. Don't worry, Dana and I are taking care of the baseball team for you.
Think positively, you'll be recovered in no time.
The cult members are keeping you in mind with everything you plan.
Feel better, and we hope to see you soon.
Hey Stuart, it's me, Tuan. I just want to wish you a get well soon, and hope your recovery is pronto.
Hi Stuart, we miss you. Hope you get well soon.
Hey Stuart, how are you? I've been in a car accident. It's not fun, and I hope that, you know, you're doing well, and we miss you, and we miss your jokes. And you're probably gonna laugh at me for wearing sunglasses in this video right now, but I really hope that you get back soon.
We miss you. Get well. Take care. Bye.
How you doing, Mrs. Stewart? I mean, it's unfortunate what happened with you and everything, but I know you're a strong individual, and you're gonna be working hard to get back to your normal self. And I know I'm gonna be seeing you here next year, walking around in the gym classes and everything. I mean, I can't wait to see you back, Stu.
Hey Stuart, today's your 39th birthday, and I can't wait to celebrate your 40th with you next year. Just know that I'm wishing you a speedy recovery. Best wishes to you now and always.
Hey Stuart, we miss you. We hope you get better.
Hi Mike, I love you and get well soon. Hi Mike, we miss you. Get well soon and come back to us.
Hey Mike, we miss you. I miss seeing you in the halls and hearing "What's up, Perry?" from all the way down the hall. So get back soon, and we can't wait to see you. Hope you feel better. Take it easy.
Really?
Hey Mike, we miss you terribly, man. Last night I had all these kids outside making all these posters and you were nowhere to be seen. We gotta get you back. Keep working hard, man. We miss you here. They're doing great, but they'll be doing better with you. All the best, man.
Hey Stu, the rest of this year is going to be hard without you, but I know we'll do our best to make the SAC stay strong. I hope you get well soon.
Hey Stuart, happy belated. Just wanted to say I hope you get well soon. We really miss having you around here. It's really weird not walking past the office and hearing a "Hey Chase, what's up?" So you get out of that hospital quick. We'll see you soon.
Hi Stuart, we miss you here, and we really can't believe that this has happened. We can't wait till you're back, and you are very much loved.
Hi Stu. So our leadership class misses you, and we want you back soon. And we hope you feel better. So awkward. Okay. Bye Stu.
Hey Stu, I hope you're feeling better. I hope you can come back soon. All the best wishes from all of us, and yeah, get better.
Hey Stu, Steven, I hope you feel better. We miss you here at MAC, and I hope to see you soon.
Hey Mr. Stewart, we're all wishing you a really fast and safe recovery, and we all hope to see you really soon. Get better.
Weights like